Thank you for joining us today. And let me start off by asking you, how are you today?
I am wonderful, as usual.
Yeah, and
Yes.
to the moms who've joined us as well, would love to find out how you're feeling today. Please use the comments or chat section to tell us how you're feeling today, because I think we're all getting used to, or at least trying to get used to the new year. We all know that many things have changed around us, the way we work, the way we buy things, and even how we function as families. But in all these changes, I think the one thing is, as a parent, all what we want to do is to protect our child. You want to tell them, you want to keep them aware of what's going around, but at the same time, we do not want to scare them in the process. We know
Absolutely.
that they are missing on some of the very integral part of childhood, like their school, playing with friends, access to playground, and we're wondering how to make up for this. But at the same time, we're also worried about the screen time that they are getting. And there are families going through problems like economic challenges, and how much do you expose the child so they are in touch with reality, and how do you support the children get through this phase and yet keep it positive? I think the key word here is positive, and which is why I think you know immediately when we thought of the topic, we wanted to get a parenting expert who can sound the most positive, and who can probably give us sane advice, who can help us keep up our sanity. We have here with us the expert, Dr. Ravindran, the
Yeah,
renowned educational psychologist and trainer. Thank you so much for joining us, Doctor. And over
nice,
to you.
nice. I think maybe some of you already have met me in some summits and all. Am I clear? I mean, loud enough?
Yes,
Yeah,
Doctor.
wonderful. That's very important to say. You see, yesterday when Neela was telling me, many are super excited to listen to me. I was rather beginning to feel a little nervous. Oh my God, if the expectation level is this much, I was reminded of a story. Are you interested in stories?
Yes,
Yeah?
sir. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I don't know whether you know it or not. I'm in Kerala, you see, but now I'm public property. So what happened? I mean, somebody from Kerala. Most of you understand Hindi, English both. Yeah, absolutely no problem. It's Gurgaon moms, and then I expect you to know Hindi also. So I'll tell a story in Hindi and all. You see, once it so happened, somebody from Kerala heard about Taj Mahal, and with a lot of difficulties, paisa ikattha karke, I mean, in the month of May, uh, reached Agra, and धूप भी बहुत ज्यादा था गर्मी में एक तरफ ऊपर से ऐसे ऐसा देखा "आह, यही है ताजमहल आई होप दैट विल नॉट हैपन टू योर लिसनर्स यही है ताजमहल okay so too much of expectation is a what you call enemy to enjoyment so see first of all let me tell you I am not a corona expert I hope all of you know that I'm not a corona expert. I am an expert on human behavior. Yes. So what I will be of help only to the extent you see people have asked me already. You have forwarded certain questions about very serious questions about the outlook, about what the world is going to be after this corona time, what will happen. And you see, I will not pretend to be an expert on things which I am not. However, my own information level is limited to ICMR, the government sources, and my friends who are physicians. That's it. So I will not be concentrating more on the physical aspects or what precautions you should take and all those things. You are fed up already. Beginning from World Health Organization till every Tom, Dick, and Harry had been advising what to do, what not to do. So I will not concentrate on that. I would rather concentrate on the human behavior aspect, the fears, the anxieties, the stress, all those things. More than the moms, the children are stressed. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I remember another very important, what you call, interesting incident. It's not in the COVID times. A few years back, I was visiting one of my friends. I went home. It was about 5 p.m. घर पहुंचा. So I could hear his 5-year-old child howling. And while I reached a little closer, he was telling something like, he was saying something and also howling. So I tried to listen, क्या बोल रहा है, क्या बोल रहा है. So what, what the child was saying, मम्मा पापा क्यों 5 बजे घर आया, 5 बजे क्यों पापा घर आया. This is the way he was crying. So I asked the lady, ये क्या हुआ भाई? What is he saying? हाँ हाँ ना, ये तो जनरली लेट आते हैं, मगर आज जल्दी पहुंच गया तो किसी तरीके जल्दी पहुंच जाते हैं, फटाफट वो रिमोट ले लेते हैं अपने हाथ में, फिर बच्चा टीवी नहीं देख पाते, खुद ही चैनल बदलते रहते हैं. So I can understand the things the child should be going on. And Papa coming at 5 o'clock was intolerable. So if the Papa and Mummy is home the whole day and night, 24/7, so I can empathize the child more than the parents, you see. I mean, that's one important thing. Let us come back to now the important aspect of it. What you call, shall we begin? You see, I have actually started on this. See, one important and well, still questions also which has come. Take offense. People have asked, what about children's fear? What about what to do, what not to do? These kinds of questions are there already with me. But I would rather say, what about your fear? That is the most important thing. First of all, you will have to manage your anxieties, your stress, because children look at you. Look at you. You may tell many things, you may tell positive things, but if you are saying it with what kind of a face, they are very discerning. They will understand, oh my God, this lady is telling half the truth. I mean, she is just trying to, what we call, motivate me. The things are not as she's saying. So therefore, first level, what we will have to do is understand your own fears. What is it? Are you able to face your fear? What are you planning? What is your exact fear? Have you discussed your fear with somebody? Wow, that you will have to do first thing. So manage yourself first, then you will have to manage the children. But otherwise, what will happen? We will transfer all our anxieties to the children unknowingly or knowingly. And many times I have also seen some parents saying things like, they utilize this as another opportunity for browbeating the child. I'm so sorry to say like that. I'm talking not about Gurgaon moms, other moms. You don't do like that. You see, what many a time parents do, I have seen, taking these situations as a, what we call cue, they start talking to their children things like, beta, सब कुछ खत्म है, बस अभी कुछ नहीं रहा, पापा का बिजनेस नहीं चल रहा, मम्मी का काम का पता नहीं कब निकलेगा, बस तुम्हें पढ़ना पड़ेगा बेटा, अभी पढ़े बिना सब कुछ खत्म. It is not going to help. Negative motivation doesn't work. I mean, many a time children have told me, after hearing such conversation, not in this context, but many other contexts, what they feel is, they feel so depressed, dejected, and they will go. Don't ever tell children, beta, this is your do or do chance, this is your last chance. कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. There is nothing like do or die chance. There is do, again do chances. There is nothing like a do or. So be very careful. First of all, handle your own anxiety. And when you say how to handle, I tell you, now 2-3 things. Face your fear. Face your fear. What are you fearing? Many a times we are not able to face our fear. We don't want to discuss it. We will not share it with even our spouse or anybody, not even with friends or other relatives. And we keep everything with us. And under say, kutte rehte. No, it is not. Face it. What will happen? What is the worst? I have told people, imagine the worst. Would you mind if I share my own experience? You don't mind? You don't mind? I'll tell you. You see, I mean, I many a time बहुत ज़्यादा पंगे लेते रहता हूँ. पंगे लेते रहता हूँ, in the sense, I mean, in the late 90s, I had traveled the whole of Jammu Kashmir, I mean, to address and guide youth, some or other, and this and that. So, I mean, I don't know whether you know it or not. Some of you know it. I'm a single parent. I mean, not a divorcee. I mean, my wife passed away 2 decades away when she was very young. So, whenever I used to get this kind of a fear, oh my God, अगर मुझे कुछ हो गया तो मैं क्या, मेरे बच्चों का क्या होगा, क्या नहीं होगा. This is the kind of fear many a times troubles us. So, मैं क्या करता था? I used to write letters whenever I'm leaving for some time. पूरा my affairs ये है. This is the situation. Depending on how old my children were, अभी just कोरोना का जो कहानी शुरू हो गया. I mean, I am too traveling type of a person. So I was abroad. I only reached India towards the end of February. After that, I came home. Obviously, I was hearing news about these things. And my office and my people said, sir, now आप कहीं नहीं जाएंगे. I mean, we are going to lock you in. You are very precious to us. And then I was sitting and writing a diary. So my son, who is young, not married, who came to me and, पापा आप फिर शुरू कर दिया. क्या मतलब, क्या बेटा, क्या शुरू कर दिया? आप फिर वही लिख रहे हैं ना. अगर आपको कुछ हो गया तो हमें क्या क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, किसको कितना पैसा देना है, किससे कितना लेना है, कौन सा क्या करना है, यही तो लिख रहे हो ना. मुझे समझ में आ गया. So, friends, what I would say, take all the precautions, be prepared always. I mean, I'm not saying be prepared to die, but what you call, streamline your affairs, be ready, and share with children according to their level of understanding how much you have to share. Don't see, please don't be under the impression children don't understand. They understand everything. If they can understand language, then you cannot hide anything from them. That is foolishness, trying to hide. If you hide, they will think the things are much worse than what it is. So therefore, tell them what is the best knowledge that you are having. You be prepared, what will happen, what will not happen. So handle your own, what we call, anxiety first. Settle it. Then it will come to the children. Is this clear to you? That is the one aspect we would try to say. And now coming to a little more about, I mean, somebody has again, I'm almost trying to answer your questions also along with, it's not a speech, but almost like a conversation. If you want me to stop when you want to ask a question also, I will just again stop in between. You see, because time is my premium, and that's the only problem. I hope, Neela, you must have told them how much time I'll be here.
Yes, doctor. Yes.
Yeah. So that's
Beautiful.
it. So if there is some pressing question coming and I am not able to answer that, then you will let me know. And people have asked about another kind of a question. Doctor, what will happen to children's education now? What is going to happen? Exam, they are preparing their career, their admissions, and all of these things. Somebody has very beautifully written, a match is fixed for a particular day, all the preparations and everything is ready, and then they hear the match is postponed. So what is it, and what is going to happen to their academic career? Kya hoga, kya nahi hoga? Let me tell you one truth to begin with. I mean, I do hope, Neela, I mean, children are not listening. Hello?
Yes, no, doctor, they're not listening.
I mean, I don't want them to at this period. I'm slightly particular about at this particular moment.
True.
I mean, children not to listen. You see, 80 साल के जिंदगी में, 70 साल के जिंदगी में, एक साल इधर, एक साल उधर will not make any difference. Please, you accept it. Don't worry. I mean, children are even otherwise nowadays in the habit of taking a drop year. They would like to see the world or sit at home and explore what they are better at. So class 12 children, when they have, I mean, see, governments, I don't know. You please don't take anything I say only because I am connected with governments. Anything I say should not be taken as an official statement. But most probably in the month of May, most of the board exams are going to be over. And they will try their level best things to I mean, what you call, and the higher education situations also, they will be coordinating. They will be coordinating. But at least as far as this country's admissions and things are concerned, children are not going to, I mean, but for everything, again, another, I mean, very serious question somebody has, uncertainty, uncertainty. How, I mean, kab, kya, kaise, kab hoga? Can I ask you a very, very blunt question? Are you certain about anything? When you walk on the road, are you certain? I mean, a vehicle will not come and hit you. So uncertainties is the way of life. We will learn it better. But yes, this time it has become, and you know, people, there are, and please tell your children, and you also, do not listen to doomsday predictors. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा. I mean, I don't know. I have not lived that long, but I have at least heard from my grandfather, I mean, and grandmother and people like that. Pandemics, epidemics, all these things had happened many times. Whether it was plague, whether it was cholera, whether it was, I lost my grandfather, paternal grandfather, to smallpox. But ऐसा नहीं कि हर साल pandemics आती है. ऐसा नहीं कभी सुना. And those times and अब का time is जमीन आसमान का फर्क है. We are much advanced. I mean, people are making a lot of efforts. Vaccines will come. You know, my friends, these physician friends are saying, डॉक्टर साहब कुछ ही दिन के बाद you will see वो H1N1 का जो कहानी चल रहे थे ना, उसके बाद लोग बिल्कुल नॉर्मल हो गए. इसी तरह these viruses and these things will run their courses. It is good to be prepared. Take all the precautions the government is saying. And for that, if you have to put your foot down, sometimes with your children, put your foot down. That is very important. But be careful which battle you pick. That's very important. Don't pick all the battles. हर एक चीज के लिए, if a mother or a father is putting his or her foot down, the child will not. बाल अब कैसा बनाना है, ऊपर को बनाऊं या नीचे को बनाऊं, उसके ऊपर तो नहीं पुट डाउन करो ना. एंड कोई बात नहीं, बट हाँ, मुझे अभी जाके बाहर फ्रेंड को मिलना ही है, उसके ऊपर यू विल पुट योर पुट डाउन. आई मीन वट एवर. सो यू विल pick your battles, which battles to fight, which not to fight. And another mother has asked this question. I mean, I'm just answering that also, and because time is also flying. You see, Dr. Indran, these COVID times, children are, I mean, sitting on the computer and all these networks and this too much. Kya, should we be lenient? Is it the word? I mean, should we be lenient or should we be as strict as, I mean, we used to be? See, parenting will be the same every time. Parenting is parenting, whether COVID or no COVID, but you should understand the children's plight also. Friends के साथ खेल नहीं पा रहा, कहीं जा नहीं पा रहा. This is there, and especially teenagers, for all the matter, for them, their friends matter much more than the parents. I mean, that we should be understanding. So give that much leeway, that much leeway. But there should be a routine. I think almost all the schools must be conducting their classes and what we call that online, whatever is happening. कुछ तो कर ही रहे हैं लोग. I mean, so that's routines and what we call rituals will give them a lot of confidence. It is a good idea. They should be having routines, but don't have rigid routines. Some leeway should be given. But that doesn't mean you are yielding into their pressures and things like that. And also make sure you are the parent. A parent should be friendly with the child, but not their friends. There's a big difference between these two. Friendly means you are an approachable parent. You can understand, and the child know you will empathize with them, but not friends. Parent is a parent is a parent. At least till the child who is 18. But depending on the age, you will have to give them more freedom, more freedom, more freedom. I mean, maybe from a 0 to 6 years, maybe my way of parenting will work. मैं जो बोल रही हूँ वही सब कुछ सही है. But 6 to 11, 10 वो पूरा नहीं चलेगा. कुछ तो यूरोप में चलेगा. I mean, कुछ तो our way पे आएंगे. Then beyond 12, when they become teenagers, their way will be much higher. I mean, my way you will keep for very selected situations, and our way will be the best way that you will have discussions, negotiations, and things like that. So, depending on I cannot give you a one-word answer because everyone of must be having different levels of age groups and things like that. So, depending on the age, you will what we call struggle with. Is it my way? How much of my way? How much of their way? How much of our way? And this will go on and on till the age of 80. So leeway is okay, but routines are wonderful. And also, let me tell you one more thing in this same connection. Could be. Don't, and many, I mean, acquaintances call me up and they talk to me and they say, Doctor Saab, ऐसा हो गया life बिल्कुल बर्बाद सा हो रखा है, कुछ सा नहीं हमें करने को मन करते, लेट उठती हूँ और उसके बाद कभी ऐसा नहीं करना. We have to model our behavior for the child. रोज उठें, ग्रूमिंग के ऊपर ध्यान दें, नहाई लो, I mean, what you call कपड़े अच्छे पहनो, and खुद दिखाओ कि नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं. I have not given up. I mean, मैं अच्छा अपने आप का देखभाल कर रही हूँ. जैसे ऑफिस में जाते हैं इसी तरीके से तैयारी होते हैं, टाइम होते हैं. For everything there is system. The child will look at you and the child will be able to what we call learn and model your behavior. Is it clear, sir? Anything now? Should I read any of the questions you are? Yeah, somebody has asked this question now. I mean, you see, Dr. Binder, even though it is not directly connected with the corona, they asked, sir, if our parenting styles are differing, is it a what you call very big problem, or what to do? I mean, husband says something, I say something. Is it going to be such a big problem for the child? I tell you, it may not be. See, you cannot be like automated robots. You are human beings. Both of you cannot be thinking the same way. But however, if you have strong difference of opinion, बहुत ज्यादा फर्क है, it is a good idea. बच्चे के सामने से हटो, अपने में कमरे में जाओ, अपना डिस्कस करो, जो जीता बाहर आ जाओ, दूसरा भी बाल ठीक करके बाहर आए और बच्चे को बोला बेटा जहां तक इस क्वेश्चन के सवाल है, I mean, we have come to a conclusion. It is a good idea presenting to the child a joint kind of a thing. Otherwise, to some extent, I mean, there will be differences of opinion, but don't sort it out in front of the child because then the child will get confused. So sort it out separately. But every time you may not be able to do that. Sometimes something happens and children will understand. But the younger the child, more the problem. Because, I mean, a 16-year-old child versus a 4-year-old, there is a big difference in parenting. I mean, this 16-year-old has grown up enough, he can understand certain things. But as far as this 4-year-old, he will not be able to understand which is right, which is wrong. So therefore, with smaller children, you will be extremely careful. I mean, as far as possible, have at least, ये अलग कहानी है. इंडिया पाकिस्तान का क्या रिलेशनशिप होना चाहिए, उसके ऊपर 2 ओपिनियन रखो, कोई ऐतराज नहीं. मगर ये बच्चे को पिकनिक में भेजेगा या नहीं भेजेगा, उसके ऊपर एक ओपिनियन हो. और ये करना है या नहीं करना है, that's a good idea. Anything you want to say?
There is
Otherwise, I
a
will
question
go on and
from
go on.
Shubha. I'll just.
Is it on the? Or you will?
I've just I've written it down also. Good morning, doctor. Thank you so much for this session. And my question is, post lockdown, there is going to be slowdown in the economy.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So, how do we speak to kids regarding budgets, cost cutting? To what extent should they know? Because they're going to be some, maybe, we have to, may not go for big holidays or something, so that they don't get stressed. So, how do we speak to them?
I mean, again, ma'am, depends on the age of the child. Again, depends on the age of the child. But I am for being truthful. Don't tell them unnecessary lies. Because what will happen? बैंक में करोड़ों पड़ा है, फिर भी कोरोना मिल गया, चलो यार इसको इसी को तरीका बताते हैं, और तरीका बना करके किसी न किसी दिन आप पकड़ा जाओगे। आई मीन किसी दिन बच्चा ऐसा करेगा। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, एक बच्चा मेरे से बता रहे थे, सर मम्मी आपसे कुछ बोला? मैंने बोला बोला नहीं। क्या हुआ बेटा? बोलेगी बोलेगी, मगर विश्वास नहीं करना, ठीक है? क्यों बेटा? नंबर 1 झूठी है। आज सुबह मेरे से बोल रही थी ये चीज खरीद नहीं सकता, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है। उसी दिन शाम को मार्केट जा करके अपना पर्स में से इतना सारा पैसा निकाल निकाल के सामान खरीदे। सो डोंट टेल देम लाइज, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। If it is the truth and if you have invested and this much money is left, beta, now our income is this much, therefore we will have to cut down on certain aspects of life. So absolutely, children are not, you see, I tell you, a 11-year-old child is almost as their cognitive abilities are almost equal to an adult. Please don't underestimate them. Almost like 11-12-year-old child will be as an adult. Maybe experience is a little less, but their brain growth, everything is sufficient to understand these things. I mean, some people may, in spite of understanding things, I mean, they may put their, that is what you call tantrums. And you know how to treat tantrums. Tantrums are best ignored. I mean, and don't yap. I mean, don't let them yap also. And ठीक है बेटा, this is a situation. This is a situation. इस बार मॉरिशस नहीं जा पाएंगे, नैनीताल जाएंगे, नैनीताल जाएंगे। आई मीन या इधर से घूमने के लिए वो ये विलेज, हेरिटेज विलेज रिसोर्ट तक जाएंगे, ज्यादा नहीं जा पाएंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। आई मीन be frank and what we call open with them, they will understand. Slowdowns will be there, but you know, now even though I am not actually an authority on this particular topic, but we will recover faster than many economies. I mean, there are many reasons. I will not want to go into, I mean, fields which are of economics and other people, but maybe काफी पढ़ा लिखा हूँ, इसके वजह से I mean, what people are saying and what I am hearing from my friends and I mean, these are India's global, what we call dependence is much less than India, like a small village. We will survive better than many countries which we are. I mean, if you remember, I don't know, you all look young from a distance. Are you?
Yes, Doctor.
I mean, I don't know. I mean, even if you remember the 2008, I mean, that of a recession and all, we recovered faster because our own country being big enough and so much of resources and not much dependent on exports and these and their trade and all. So there is a possibility. People are saying, don't take it as Dr. Ravindran's expert opinion, we will recover faster. And also, there is a saying, I mean, I hope this is being aired. I mean, I don't want to be getting into controversies. Many businesses, they are saying, I mean, will pull out from China and will be coming to India also. These are all. So the economic revival for us will be, I mean, slightly better. And one more very important aspect of Indians, can I tell you that?
Yes.
We have saving habits. we are good at it. I mean, I don't want to name a country, which country has no, that's a very rich country, but they don't have any saving habits. They have installments में जिंदगी काटते हैं. So we are थोड़ा बहुत रख के रगड़ के एक सब्जी दाल में एक जिंदगी काटना हमें आता है. I mean, so धीरे धीरे बच्चे को भी सीखेंगे. Children are not so, I mean, what you call foolish or this thing, they will understand. There will be few children. Then it is not because of COVID or economic this thing. That had become a habit because of our do's and don'ts. I mean, that's a different story altogether. Are you getting? I mean, have I answered you?
Yes, Doctor.
Anything else you think
yes.
I should be answering? Very important.
Yes, Doctor. We have a very important question from Anshu.
Yeah.
Anshu, can you please go ahead with your question?
Hi, Dr. Ravindran.
Yeah.
Dr. Ravindran, I'm a single mother, so I need some tips from your end to handle a preteen daughter. Though she is mature enough and not very troublesome, but at times, because I'm a single parent, it becomes very difficult to handle her, especially at the time of this crisis. So some tips for single moms like
Yeah, obviously. I mean, I can speak for an hour for them. You see,
And
I,
doctor, if I may just add, because there's one more question which is about single parent. Now, to add to Anshu's question, she also has, now Isha has her parents living with her. So she feels that her kid is getting pampered. So that's, so how does she handle
okay,
it?
okay.
Yeah.
I think, Neela, let us forget about COVID and come back to all these things again. I mean, these are, these are very important. COVID के बारे में बहुत लोग बात करते हैं. This is very important. You see, first of all, let us understand teenagers. That's very important. What is normal for them? What is not normal for them? So, a few things which are extremely normal for a teenager, I will tell you first. Number one, they will be saying no to everything you ask them to do. That is first thing. The first answer which will come will be no. Why I should do? So the parents have to be, or the mother has to be a little careful. This is simply a normal behavior of an adolescent, and we will not react. We will not react. If you simply, okay, dekh le beta, I mean, if you can do that, fine. Otherwise, no problem. In 2 minutes, you will see the child doing the same thing. But unfortunately, many parents, I mean, not you specifically, I'm talking about, what many parents will do is, instead of remaining silent or just going away from them, they will start, oh my God, मैंने जिंदगी में तुम्हारे लिए क्या क्या त्याग किया, what all sacrifices I have done, आज तुम मुझे ये सिला दे रहे हो. And then immediately the child starts reacting, क्या मतलब? What do you, मैंने बोला था. So be careful. So normal behavior should not be taken as a problem behavior. And second thing will be, they will always pretend to be omniscient. Omniscient in the sense, सब कुछ पता है. The moment you start giving a piece of advice, they will say, पता है, अपना पिटारा बंद रखो. I mean, this is another habit they will be having. And third, do not probe too much. Do not interrogate them too much. For example, the moment the child comes back from school, don't start asking, बेटा, आज स्कूल में क्या क्या हुआ? बच्चा बोलेगा, क्या हुआ? आजकल स्कूल में कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. I mean, and the parent will go and start fighting with the school. बच्चा तो बोल रहा है स्कूल में कुछ नहीं हो रहा. It is not, which is an indicator you are beginning to breathe down her neck. I mean, so give a little leeway. But at the very same time, we have to be very careful about two important things. This is a period when these children should be kept busy. Are you getting it? They are almost like bottle se nikala hua bhoot. या तो खाने के लिए दे दो या तो हमें खा जाएंगे. As simple as that. So,
Oh God.
I mean, we should have ways and means to occupy them, and especially these COVID days, that becomes what we call very big issue. That is the only thing. So do not force yourself upon them, and if they are chatting a little too much, I would say give a little leeway. As I told you, koi baat nahi. But there should be some, what we say, net holiday time. What we call net holiday in the sense, beta, I mean, आज का दिन हम 2 घंटे बिना इसका जिंदगी काट सकते हैं क्या देखें? नहीं तो 1 घंटे थोड़ा सा इसके बिना जिंदगी काट सकते हैं. And not the otherwise. Now don't put timetables like only 1 hour of, I mean, screen time. They will break your neck, because 1 hour of screen time cannot occupy their energy. Are you getting it? So a little bit of, because other than this net and other screens, they have nothing else. But we keep an eye on them and also see that they are not doing things which are what we call objectionable. And that much, I mean, there is what I said, my way of parenting will come in. हाँ बेटा, ये सब कुछ तो ठीक है, मगर ये कहानी नहीं चल सकता. That we will. Then, but if you threaten something, a consequence, that's also very important. Rewards and punishments for a child. For example, if you promise what we call consequence, beta, if you go on doing this, mummy will confiscate your mobile and never give it back to you before the COVID ends. That is a hollow threat. He very well know ये lady ऐसा कुछ नहीं करने वाली. हाँ, you may say, बेटा ये ऐसा करेंगे तो आने वाले 1 या 2 दिन के लिए मैं इसको अलग रखूंगी. That is a practicable thing. So what we generally advise is consequences should be the last thing you use. Grounding a child should be the last resort. That also, if you promise a consequence, you must carry out. Otherwise, don't promise it. I mean, if you promise and then you don't carry out, it is almost like, I mean, गांव में बच्चे होते थे, मम्मी बताती थी, बेटा ऐसा करेंगे तो मैं कुएं में कूद जाऊंगी. और मैं अच्छा देखते ये तो कूद ही नहीं, कम से कम प्रॉमिस करे तो कूद तो जाए, तो कम से कम भरोसा तो रहेगा. So don't make hollow threats. So I said, I mean, they will not want to listen to advices. So you will be careful not to repeat statements. That's very important with an adolescent child. That is, whether single parent or double parent, I mean, it will not make much of a difference. But however, the question of single parent has come up. I mean, even though not directly asked by you, I would like to tell you one very important thing. Never ever badmouth the absent parent. That is very, very important. I mean, anybody who is listening to me, the other person, whether he's alive or not alive, I mean, if he is separated, divorced, whatever, we will be very careful neither to badmouth him or her, nor to praise him or not. Nothing. We will be neutral. And when the child grows up, probably they will understand our wavelength क्यों नहीं match किया, but not a lot of blame game. Because ultimately, I mean, the other parent is also a parent for the child. And you will also be very careful while talking to children, even though they may be interacting with not so good friends, but don't attack their friends. Don't attack their friends. The moment you say something very negative about their friend, immediately they become closer to the friend and away from you. So you will be a little careful and tread that very, very carefully. That is very, very important. That's
we have
anything else?
Yes, we have a question from Nisha. Nisha, please go ahead with your question.
Question is, in this situation, when we don't have any help in the house and no support, how to make your child share the load in the house?
Very important. This reminds me, few days back, I was addressing a group of, teachers. So I was asking them, हाँ बताओ आप लोग को आज की तारीख में सबसे बड़ा लाइफ में इम्पोर्टेंट क्या लगता है? You know what they said? Maid. They all uniformly said the most important thing in a person's life is a maid. So I can very, very, very understand what is that you are going through, friends. Catch them doing right is the answer, not catch them doing wrong. They say, strike the iron when it is cold, not when it is hot. When the child is not doing something, browbeating her, getting after her, nagging her to do something is not a good idea, because the child will never take it positively. हाँ, होली दिवाली में कभी तो ये कुछ करेगा अच्छा. That is the time you will have. The only possibility of making a child cooperate in daily chores and other things is once in a while खुद के मन से कुछ भी करा, उसको इतना बड़ा चढ़ा के बता दो, क्या बात है आज तो बढ़िया, मतलब I am very happy, I am feeling that. That's the only thing which will work with them. Nothing else works. Catch them doing right, not catch them doing wrong or not doing. That's only. Anything coming, time is also.
Yes, we have just 2 more questions, Doctor. One.
Yeah, please, Neelam. I wish I had all the time with me, the whole day with me.
But I promise to stop at
public property. Yeah.
Yes, Doctor. But I promise to stop at 12. Pragati, please go ahead with your question.
So Dr. Saab, we know how both the parents are at home these days. The husbands are home, the wives are home, and husbands are pitching in not just for the household tasks, but also in the way parenting is done at home.
Oh, yeah.
So now I have to basically understand, when two parents come from two different, parenting conditioning, or they have different beliefs about parents. I have seen a lot of parents fighting over it, or telling the other how they're not doing right, or things like that. So what couple of suggestions do you think?
I mean, I started with this question. Probably you, were not there. You see, I tell you, like human beings are different, their styles of parenting and everything will be different. And basically, it will basically depend on how they had been parented. That is one major reason for that. How they were brought up, they will either practice the same way of parenting, or they will diametrically opposed way of parenting. ये मेरे साथ हुआ था, मैं कम से कम मेरे बच्चे के साथ ऐसा होने नहीं दूंगा, या I was brought up like this, और मैं तो बढ़िया हो गया हूँ, मेरा बच्चा भी बढ़िया हो जाएगा. So I'm telling the reason for the difference. And however, as I was telling in the beginning, there are only 2-3 ways. It has very negative effect. Arguing about what is right way of parenting, what is not right way of parenting in front of the child is suicidal. That is why I said you will have to come to a conclusion. Separately sitting, आपस में बैठ के, which all areas you feel, and you also, whoever asked this question, the other party is not there, the husband or somebody is not there at the moment. You should also have a lot of introspection. Everybody thinks what I am thinking is the right, and my value systems are the best, and that is the reason for many. So first of all, introspect. Is this the right way of parenting? Are there anything which I lack, or is there any point in the other person saying? First introspect, then later on have a discussion. When the tempers are high. It should be when the iron is cold, not when it is hot. देखो उस दिन आप बच्चे के साथ ये कर रहे थे, उस वक्त तो मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला, बट अभी मुझे लगता है आपसे एक बार बात करना चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ, ये मुझे बड़ा गलत लगा है. So again, it is not approved. That is when we may sometime take the opinion of a third party, a specialist, when things become very, difficult to handle, and even in individual level discussion, you are not able to sort it out. But however, there is a right way. There is a right way of parenting. So if both of you cannot be right, so there will be some right. And third party interventions, not like an intervention of a grandfather or a grandmother. Maybe that is why the specialists and people are there. Dr. Vindran, ये अच्छा है या ये बढ़िया है, मैं ये सोच रही हूँ, ये सही है या मेरा सोचने में ही कोई गड़बड़ है. This kind of way. So we will not pretend to be knowing everything about parenting, and we will not dump the other person, you don't know anything. But at the very same time, there could be points where we are not able to come to any conclusion. Then maybe, you should be taking help from not every Tom, Dick and Harry. Don't ask me who are all. I think your Gurgaon is having a lot of good psychologists also. There is no harm. Nowadays, people have started actually taking specialist help in such situations. You can even sometimes take some specialist help when you are not able to reconcile. But coming in front of the child, let me tell you one very important thing. One parent is doing whatever with the child. At that moment, the other parent should not intervene. That's very important. बिगाड़ रहे हो, पीट रहा हो, कुछ भी कर रहा हो, unless of course somebody is a drug addict or abusing the child in what you call very negative way, उसको छोड़ के intervene नहीं करेंगे. We will wait for a better opportune moment for that kind of a discussion. Maybe Neela, I have one more question I can take, I think, if it is.
Yes, doctor, thank you. So there is, okay, so we have many questions. Parenting is full of questions, but let me...
Maybe Neela, sometime, other time, because these days, because of all these issues, even I am pulled into 101 things. I
Yes.
have a lot of government work and things like that. Maybe someday we will again have a longer kind of.
We would love
session
to
with
have that, but
Yeah,
we
we will
will
do.
stop with this one question, Doctor.
you. Yeah, please do.
It's on sibling fights.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, this is an age-old question. I mean, where there will be siblings, they will fight. Where there will be Saas Bahu, they will fight. I mean, if that is the rule, I mean, it is not an exception. But the single point advice for parents will be, I mean, it is very difficult and impossible, near to impossible. Non-interference from the parents is the best policy. Because whenever you intervene, their animosity, rivalry will only increase. One will think, just because of this, my relation with mom also have been spoiled. So as far as possible, we will not try to intervene and let them be. And there is a very strong reason for that, Neela. There is one more very important reason for my saying though. Children should learn to get along without you, because a time will come when you will be no more there. At that time, I mean, they will not be able to, I mean, get along and live happily together, because siblings are the only people in the world, I mean, who will be having shared moments in their life. What you call, everybody else coming in their life will be new. The husband will be new, wife will be new, children will be new. So they have to get along. So that getting along, they should learn now while you are around. For every small thing, तुम उसको वो टॉय क्यों नहीं देता, तुम उसको अरे करने दो ना, करने दो. They will not murder each other. They will not murder. And the moment you intervene, I mean, one of them will get animosity. When one will, the anger will be increasing. And all these normal advices you get from psychologists, you will also remember. I mean, if you praise somebody, you should remember, write it in a piece of paper, and in the same day, do a praise for the other one also. That is very important. And never ever compare. Sometimes in schools also, many times children tell me, sir, मेरे भाई के वजह से मैं बर्बाद हूँ. क्यों? हमेशा टीचर बोलते हैं, अच्छा राहुल का भाई है ना? अरे कौन सा राहुल? मैं कोई राहुल को नहीं जानता. Because comparing, no two children will be ever the same, and they will fight. Obviously, non-interference is the best policy. No comparison. Children will not tolerate comparing themselves with their own siblings or their cousin brothers and sisters. You may compare them with somebody in a different country. That is not a problem. But nearby people, that will be. So non-interference is the best policy. Anything else? Is that all?
Yeah. There are many more questions, Doctor, but
yeah. But can we now, I mean, almost conclude, Neela?
Yes, Doctor. Yes, Doctor.
I'm extremely happy to be, I mean, able to, I don't know how much help I've been, and all this very medium itself is so funny. I would love to see a lot of people sitting and listening to me, you see.
Yes,
then I get a little more excited. This sitting and talking, I don't know. I hope I was energetic enough.
Yes, Doctor. Yes.
Thank you very much. Wish you all. And these times will pass. Like what we call seasons. This COVID, all these things are going to pass. And it may take 1 month, this side or that side. And you may have to be a little careful for maybe a year. That's all. And life will going to be what people are now talking about, a new normal, whatever that means. Life will be normal. And you will make, atmospheres or environment doesn't make life normal. It is you who will make lives normal. All the best.
Thank you, Doctor.
And I really enjoyed being with you.
Yeah, thank you so much for all the positivity that you brought.
Thank you, Doctor.
Good afternoon.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, ladies, for joining in, and I hope you got all your questions answered. There was, I think, it was the much needed positivity and cheer. Doctor just brought us into our day today. So stay safe, stay well, and please do keep joining in all our conversations. And for a list of programs, please do keep watching our page. Our page is at www.facebook.com/Gurgaon Mom. That's where you will get to see what our next programs are. This evening, we have a wonderful music performance by Mona Lisa at 6 o'clock. Do tune in to our page. Stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.